Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make fruit salad using mixed fruit. First, let's talk about preparation. Choosing the right fruits is key. Aim for a vibrant mix of colors and textures. Always wash your fruits thoroughly under cool, running water to remove any dirt or residues. Gather your tools, including a sturdy cutting board, a sharp knife, and a spacious mixing bowl, to ensure a smooth process. Now, let's prepare the fruit. Begin by carefully peeling and coring fruits like apples, pears, or pineapples. Next, cut all your fruits into consistent, bite-sized pieces. This ensures every spoonful offers a delightful mix of flavors and textures. For smaller fruits like grapes or berries, you might choose to remove any seeds, making the salad even more enjoyable for everyone. With all your fruits prepared, it's time to combine them. Gently place all the cut fruit into your large mixing bowl. To enhance the flavors, you might consider adding a light dressing, perhaps a simple squeeze of fresh orange or lime juice, or even a drizzle of honey. For an extra touch of freshness, a few sprigs of fresh mint or basil can elevate the aroma beautifully. Finally, for the best taste, cover your fruit salad and chill it in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes, or even up to 1 hour. This crucial step allows all the wonderful flavors to meld and deepen, creating a more harmonious and refreshing experience. Serve your perfectly chilled fruit salad as a vibrant, healthy snack or a delightful, light dessert for any occasion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.